Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. Join me, let's turn this lemongrass fresh and green leaf into a powder. To turn this into dry lemongrass powder, I'll start by cutting it into tiny sizes or pieces, and I'll do this with my scissors, with my kitchen scissors. I have different tea recipes which I've made with this lemongrass. It is in my channel. I'll leave the links in this video. The lemongrass has so many benefits, and I love the aroma so much. And you can also use it as a food spice, just like you use curry, thyme, and other spices. This is also very good for your sauces, especially your fish sauce. It's very yummy there. It gives a very nice taste in the food. Don't cut your fingers or your hand. I'm done cutting up all of them. So the next step now is to wash it. Sometimes you can also wash it before cutting it, but because I did not wash it, so I'm going to rinse it in the water now before drying it. Keep watching. After washing and rinsing it, I'll leave it in this sieve to drain water for some time before spreading it in the tray where I'm going to leave it to dry. So I'll spread it in the tray here. You can take it outside to dry under sun, or you can use your dehydrator to dry the leaf. You can also just leave it on your counter or table under fan. It can dry in your room if you don't have sun or dehydrator where you stay. For this one, I'm leaving it here because even as we are here now, the weather is not smiling. So I'm not taking it out to the sun. I'm going to leave it on my table to stay here morning, night, afternoon under fan. And here I have my dry lemongrass leaf. This stayed in the room and it took about 1 week. I lost count of it, but I know it's dried within 1 week. But if it was to be taken under the sun, maybe within 2 days it can dry. But since we did not have enough sun, I left it in the house. So the next step, now you can leave it like this if you want, but I'm going to grind it into powder. So let's grind it. This is what I have for now. This is how it tastes for now, but I think I'm going to grind it one more time to see if it will get more powdery than this. I love the smell, man. The smell is so good, man. And here I have my dry lemongrass powder. Next, I'll transfer and store it into an airtight container. And from there, I can be taking it to make tea anytime I want, or to add it to my food if I want it as a spice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also share the video. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.